Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. State which pairs of triangles are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. First question, here is given triangle ABC and triangle PQR with measurements angle A 60 degree, angle B 80 degree, angle C 40 degree. Here angle P 60 degree, angle Q 80 degree and angle R 40 degree. We can see angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. So we can say this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity criterion or simply AA similarity criterion. Remember, always you follow the order. Here angle A corresponds to angle P. I have written A first, so in the second triangle P should be first. Angle B corresponds to angle Q. So here angle B is second, here also angle Q is second. Third one is angle Z corresponds to angle R. So here angle Z is in the third position, here also angle R in the third position. That order you should keep properly. Second question, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB 2, BC 2.5, AC 3. Here PQ 6, QR 4 and PR 5. Here sides are given. Let us check the ratio of the sides are proportional or not. Let us take the ratio of this AB by QR. Here AB is 2, QR is 4. So AB by QR is 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, BC by PR 2.5 by 5, it is also equal to 1 by 2. AC by PQ, that is 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. So we got same ratio, AB by QR equal to BC by RP equal to AC by QP. Here the corresponding side of AB is QR. So the order we should keep. The triangles are similar by using SSS similarity criterion and we can write the order ABC similar to QRP. You can see AB we have kept in the first two position. Here QR also we kept in the first two position. Third question, triangle LMP and triangle DEF. You can see the measurements here 2.7, 3 and 2. Here 4, 6 and 5. By looking the question we can understand the ratio is not same there. So we can conclude they are not similar. Next question, triangle MLN and PRQ with measurements here MN 2.5, ML 5, included angle M equal to 70 degree. Here PQ 5, QR 10, included angle Q equal to 70 degree. Now you can see here angle M equal to angle Q and similarly MN by PQ 2.5 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 2. ML by QR 5 by 10, that is also equal to 1 by 2. So we can write MN by QP equal to ML by QR. Same ratio. So here one angle and here two sides. So we can say triangle MNL similar to triangle QPR by SAS congruence rule. Here the corresponding side of MN is QP. Here first two letters are MN, here first two letters are QP. The order always you take care. Next triangles are triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here AB 2.5, angle A 80 degree, BC 3. This angle A is not an included angle, you can see. Then second one, triangle DEF, DF is 5, EF is 6, angle F 80 degree. We can say they are not similar. Last question, triangle DEF and triangle PQR. Angle D 70 degree, angle E 80 degree, angle F is missing. Here angle P is missing, angle Q 80 degree, angle R 30 degree. The first part by angle sum property we can find angle F, that is 30 degree. For the second triangle, angle P is 70 degree. So we can find all the angles are equal. Angle D equal to angle P, angle E equal to angle Q, angle F equal to angle R. Therefore, triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR by AA similarity criterion. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. And here is drawn the figure. Trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. The diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at the point O. We need to prove OA by OC equal to OB by OD. To prove this result, it is enough to prove these two are the corresponding parts of two similar triangles. So let us make two triangles first. From this name we can make two triangles. You see here it is OA, then one more letter B. So first triangle let us frame OAB. Then here it is OC, then one more letter D. So OCD. So we have made here two triangles OAB and OCD. And the corresponding parts of these two triangles are given here. We know the corresponding parts are three angles and the ratio of three sides. So first let us write the three angles. First this angle O and angle O. Full name you have to write down. So we can write AOB and COD. First one. Then this angle A and angle C. We can write it as OAB and OCD. Then angle B and angle D. We can write it as ABO and CDO. So three angles we have written. Next we need to write the corresponding sides. OA by OC equal to AB by CD equal to OB by OD. So here you can see the among that corresponding sides our OA by OC and OB by OD. So to prove this result, we need to prove these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are there. Triangle OAB and triangle OCD are in the figure. So to prove the similarity, we have studied three criteria. AA similarity criteria, SSS similarity criteria, SAS similarity criteria. We have to use any one of the criteria to prove these two triangles are similar. So let us check any corresponding parts are equal or not. First corresponding part is angle AOB equal to angle COD. Let us check the figure and verify it is true or not. AOB, COD, we can see they are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So we can write in triangle OAB and triangle OCD, angle AOB equal to angle COD. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Now you see the second angle is angle OAB equal to angle OCD. Let us check it is true or not. OAB I have marked there, it is angle A. OCD also I have marked here, it is angle C. We can say they are equal because they are alternate interior angles because this AB is parallel to CD. So we can write angle OAB equal to angle OCD. AB parallel to CD and they are alternate interior angles. So here we got one angle, here we proved again one more angle. Two pairs of angles are equal. So we can conclude by AA similarity criterion, this triangle OAB similar to triangle OCD. If they are similar, we can say this OA by OC equal to OP by OD because they are the corresponding parts of similar triangles. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.